What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing Jarek's coilover install. Not just coilovers, bro. Okay, and we got the rotors too. I see you. Oh, holy shit. Alright, bro. Doing a pretty good vlog today. A lot of content. We would space it out, but it'd be better for us to start it and do it all in one day. Got that Raceland special. Oh shit. But you know, I already took out the helper spring, so we're going for extra load. There's only one way to start this video, dog. One way only to start this install. You got a shotgun with me. I'm gonna shotgun this. We're gonna shotgun them. Two going lower. Holy fuck. Oh fuck. Awful, man. Foam, bro. Bro, I'm coughing out foam right now. Alright, let's stop fucking around. Let's get this shit started. So, if you don't know why I'm getting coilovers, this fucking cord spring is rubbing against my strut and made the most annoying noise ever. So, had to get them. I feel like foam in my mouth. Kind of miss these wheels. Okay, so we're gonna start off with the rotor, but right now we're having difficulties. Volkswagen want to be fucking stupid and use all kinds of shit. Yeah, so Volkswagen is a little bit different, even like the way they manufacture all this kind of shit right here. Like the strut, his struts come out differently. Pretty much everything on this car is different. It's a big tool you got there. 1-inch drive ratchet, yeah. The rotor just came off. Like I said. Bro, filet fish's helmets, dog. Bruh. Oh, you lifting me up. Let's show them what we're dealing with right now. So, trying to disconnect the drive shaft from the spindle. But that fucker is on there. Look who you guys never seen in a long time.
How's it
been making bread, huh?
You know, working,
going to school,
serving them fall, you know. Engineer, gotta put in the work.
Oh, the touche. I heard you got a Canon G7X for Christmas, so
yes,
upcoming
vlogs and makeup tutorials. Okay, so while Jarek takes care of all of that over there, Jimmy's gonna go and help me do my brake light. Okay, so here is the brake lights that Jimmy gave me. Never fit on the TC, so come to find out these actually fit my car, which is the 7443, I believe, and it's the flashing brake lights. So I guess when you step on it, it flashes like 3 times and then stops. Hopefully it stops. I don't want those annoying ones that just keep flashing. We did the right side first. We'll show you guys what it looks like. Go ahead, Jimmy. I thought it was gonna be the ones that blink 3 times, but these ones blink 5 times, which is cool. At least they stop blinking. So this is what it looks like. Go.
Ooh, now I expected tools.
Dinner time. Thanks out, babe.
Yo, like,
You look so cute when you wink. Ooh, and now you're throwing smooches. Alright. How you feel about your boyfriend being gay right now? He cheated. Damn. This guy basically just said, fuck the axle, let's head straight to the coils. I don't know if you guys can see, but right there, that's the space station. Space station, yeah? Or satellite or some shit, I don't know. But I don't know if you guys remember from like way back when we first started vlogging. That same guy right there actually came up to us when we was on the basketball courts and told us the same thing.
I can know when the next space station is passing by.
Passing by or landing?
Passing by. Let me try stand on it.
Hey, you're like 100 pounds.
Oh, fuck. Alright. Brandon's gonna lay a hand. Let Uncle Brandon teach you as how to take this out, cuz. Yes, sir. We maxing it out or what?
You're not down though, that's the thing.
You down?
Look at it.
Oh, this fucker's down, dog. He's gonna max this out. He's gonna do it. He's gonna do it. Where's Jimmy? Let's go find Jimmy.
Dog, that shit's not coming out.
Jarek here is trying to fucking hammer that in. Okay, I'm waiting.
Pretty sure it's supposed to go in like that, right? Am I wrong? Am I fucking wrong? Is it not supposed to be like that? Hold that shit.
I guess.
Bruh, so this whole time I've been doing it the wrong way.
Where the fuck did the bolt go anyway?
This orange piece right here, this top hat,
The nut.
supposed to go on here.
Yeah, but look. Where the fuck am I gonna screw shit in? What if we're not even supposed to put this thing on?
No, the thing's set to put it on.
So that's the correct way. So look at the assembly now.
Hey, shut
and
up.
Show me the correct way.
My bad.
That's the
I got
correct
T-Mobile.
way.
I got T-Mobile, so my internet kind of sucks.
Oh my god. So we did it the wrong way twice.
At least you have facial expression again, bro.
Look up.
Oh.
I don't know, but imagine the brake and shit there.
Well, we ain't gonna see the final result till tomorrow.
And you're not gonna be there.
I'm gonna be there.
Now I am. I was watching the other ones. This guy is so high. When you don't got no jack stand. I just thought about that spring could fly, dog. Ooh, look at that. That's fucking crazy. Crazy fitment. We're gonna end them today. We only got the front right and the back right installed today.
We're doing the back left right now.
And we're doing the back left right now. But me and Jared coming at you early tomorrow.
We gotta keep it quiet, cause you know, Asian neighbors over here.
Damn, you didn't have to like
Ding-a-ling, ding-a-ling.
Damn.
Complaining. Tell them. Quiet already. Ding-a-ling.
You know what? You Vietnamese fuck, bro.
Shoot.
Yo, what's up, everybody? So day 2 of working on my Jetta. It's 10:20 right now. Me and Jimmy are gonna go eat pho. Then I have to stop by AutoZone and get some tools because I might need them in the future, so I can buy them instead of renting them. So back from AutoZone, and I'm surprised they had the set. So it's like super stupid. It's called the triple square. The fuck were you thinking, Volkswagen? Fucking crazy. Alright, everybody, so we just started not too long ago. So now that we got the right tools, we took out 3 parts, but the other 3 are either stripped or the tool just doesn't want to go inside. So sorry about lack of filming. It's only 2 of us and it's pretty much a 2-man job, so we'll try to record what we can.
Since last night, we finally got the axle out.
Fuck up. We got them out.
It took forever. We even bought one vice grip we didn't even need. $13 gone.
So it's the old one. Look at this. That's fucked. Grease all coming out from over here. Rubber is all crusty, bro. Look at all that grease right there. Oh,
It's the brand new one right there.
yeah. We got a new one for the unbelievable price of $81. Volkswagen was trying to charge me $500 for
Napa know-how.
Napa know.
So we can come back to when this new one is installed, and then we can put in the front coils after that.
So we're compressing the brake pistons and then put on the new discs.
We got the new axle in finally. Finally finished everything. It's the fitment right there. She's talking.
She's burning. Baking it.
Bacon fenders just like me.
Final adjustments. Car is a little off, but I forgot to put a hub-centric ring back on, so I'm gonna put that shit back on. I need spacers for the front if I wanted to go lower, because Raceland don't know how to fucking engineer products. But other than that, next video, either him or me, him putting parts or me putting spacers, I don't know. We'll figure it out. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.
Like, comment, subscribe. What? One more time?
Like, comment, subscribe.
They cannot hear you. One more time?
And like, comment, and subscribe.